intervals and chords. Intervals simply means the distance between two musical notes. The smallest distance is the semitone interval. I'm on C. Semitone interval is from C to C sharp, and it can still be from C to B. But for now, we're moving upward. So C to C sharp, that's the semitone interval. The next one is a tone interval. C to D, that's a tone interval. And what makes up a tone interval is semitone plus semitone. So C to C sharp, semitone, C sharp to D, semitone. The next one we have is the minor third interval. C to E flat, minor third interval. And we have a tone plus semitone. So C to D, that's a tone. Then D to E flat, that's a semitone. So a tone plus semitone makes up a minor third interval. The next one is a major third interval. And we have it's Do to E. And that's tone plus tone, two tones. So C to D and D to E makes up a major third interval. After the major third interval, we have the perfect fourth interval, which is C to F, and that will be two tones plus semitone, C to F. So let's count it: C to D, one tone; D to E, two tones plus a semitone. So two tones plus a semitone makes up the perfect fourth interval. The next one is augmented fourth interval. Augment means to raise. So if we were to raise these notes, it means we have to move forward. So now it's from C to F sharp. That's an augmented interval. C to F sharp. So I think we have three tones. C to D, 1, D to E, 2, E to F sharp, 3. So three tones makes up the augmented interval. The next one we have the perfect fifth interval. That's C to G, and three tones plus a semitone makes up the perfect fifth interval. So C to D, D to E2, E to F sharp 3, and F sharp to G. So three tones plus a semitone makes up the perfect fifth interval. 1, 2, 3. The semitone. Next one we have augmented fifth interval, which is C to A flat. C to A flat. That's four tones. C to A flat. Let's count it. C to D, 1, D to E, 2, E to F sharp 3, F sharp to A flat 4. So four tones make up the augmented fifth interval. Next one we have the major sixth interval. Major sixth interval is C to A, and we have how many tones? We have C to D, D to E, 2 tones; E to F sharp 3 tones; F sharp to A flat 4 tones; then A flat to A. So we have 4 tones plus a semitone makes up the major sixth interval. The next one we have the dominant seventh interval, which is Do to To, dominant seventh interval. So let's see how many tones and semitones makes up the dominant seventh interval. C to D, 1, D to E, 2, sharp 3, F sharp 2, A flat 4, A flat 2, B flat 5. So 5 tones makes up the dominant 7th interval. Let's do that again for clarity. C to D, 1 tone, D to E, 2 tone, E to F sharp 3 tone, F sharp to A flat 4 tones, A flat to B flat 5 tones makes up the dominant 7th interval. The next one is the major 7th interval, which is C to B, and that is 5 tones plus a semitone. Let's count it. C to B, C to D1, D to E to F sharp 3, F sharp to A flat 4, A flat to B flat 5 tones plus a semitone, B flat to B. So 5 tones plus a semitone makes up the major 7th interval. The next one is an octave interval, which is do to do as an octave. So that should be 6 tones. Let's count it. C to E, D, D to E2, E2, F sharp 3, F sharp to A flat 4, A flat to B flat 5, then B flat to C, 6 tones makes up the octave interval. Now these intervals can go backward. So C to B is still a semitone, and C to B flat is still a tone. So it can go both ways.